Looking for crystal clear windows without the hassle of climbing ladders or spending hours scrubbing glass? Today, we are counting down the best robot window cleaners that make window maintenance faster, safer, and completely hands-free. From smart navigation and powerful suction to advanced edge cleaning and automatic spray systems, these innovative robots are designed to keep your windows spotless with minimal effort. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. At number 1, the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni. If you are looking for a premium robot window cleaner that delivers a truly hands-free experience, the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni stands out as an exceptional choice. Designed for modern homes with everything from standard windows to floor-to-ceiling glass panels, this advanced cleaner comes with an automatic self-cleaning station that washes the cleaning pads after every session, eliminating the hassle of manual maintenance. Its revolutionary Vortex wash system uses 16 high-pressure nozzles to thoroughly clean the mop pads in just 1 minute, while the optional station self-cleaning function keeps the entire system fresh and ready for the next task. What really makes this model impressive is the exclusive True Edge technology, which actively extends the scrubber to reach edges and corners, spinning at 200 rotations per minute to remove dirt in a single pass before retracting to prevent cross-contamination. Navigation is equally intelligent thanks to the WinSlam 5.0 system, offering 1 mm precision obstacle avoidance along with fast, intensive, and zone modes for different window layouts. The triple-nozzle wide-angle spray system distributes cleaning solution evenly with increased pressure, loosening stubborn dust, fingerprints, and light grime for streak-free results across large glass surfaces. Safety is another major advantage, featuring powerful suction, an advanced anti-fall mechanism, and a durable safety tether that keeps the robot securely attached, even when cleaning high-rise exterior windows. Built by the globally recognized leader in robotic window cleaning, the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni combines cutting-edge technology, reliable performance, and effortless convenience, making routine window maintenance easier than ever while delivering crystal-clear views with minimal effort. Taking the second spot is the JSDROBOT Lite window cleaner. Combining impressive cleaning power with smart navigation, this robot window cleaner is an excellent choice for homeowners who want spotless glass without the effort of manual scrubbing. Its advanced dual-disc cleaning system alternates the rotation of the upper and lower cleaning discs while applying 35 newtons of downward pressure through a powerful 5,300 Pascal suction motor. This combination allows the robot to tackle fingerprints, dust, water spots, and stubborn stains with remarkable efficiency, leaving windows bright and streak-free. Unlike many standard models, the extended 1 cm cleaning cloth is designed to maintain full contact with window frames, ensuring edge-to-edge coverage and reaching areas that are often missed during cleaning. The reusable cleaning pads also make routine maintenance more economical and environmentally friendly. To further improve cleaning performance, the precision water distribution system features spray nozzles positioned on both sides, delivering a controlled amount of water exactly where it's needed. Its ultrasonic misting technology transforms water into fine particles, providing even coverage while reducing unnecessary water consumption. The JSDROBOT Lite is also highly versatile, thanks to its intelligent boundary detection sensors that allow it to safely clean both framed and frameless glass surfaces, including floor-to-ceiling windows, mirrors, and large glass panels. Safety is reinforced with a 6.5-meter combined power cord and a 5-meter security tether, giving you added confidence when cleaning elevated windows. Intelligent route planning automatically calculates the most efficient cleaning path at startup, while 3 automatic cleaning modes and an included remote controller let you customize the cleaning process for different situations. With its powerful suction, edge-to-edge performance, smart navigation, and dependable safety features, the JSDROBOT Lite delivers reliable, hands-free window cleaning that keeps your glass surfaces looking crystal clear with minimal effort. Next on our list is the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni. Designed for homeowners who want premium performance with maximum flexibility, this advanced robot window cleaner combines intelligent technology with outstanding convenience. One of its biggest advantages is the dual power system, allowing you to choose between battery mode and plugged-in mode depending on the cleaning situation.
Battery mode delivers up to 110 minutes of cordless operation, covering approximately 55 square meters, making it ideal for balconies, bathrooms, and other areas without nearby power outlets. When tackling larger glass walls, plugged-in mode provides continuous cleaning while helping extend battery life by reducing frequent full discharge cycles. The innovative 6-in-1 multi-function station serves as a charger, control panel, stabilizer, portable storage case, and safety management hub, making transportation and operation easier than ever. Cleaning performance is equally impressive thanks to the upgraded 3-nozzle wide-angle spray system, which delivers significantly higher water pressure for better dirt removal. Combined with the microfiber cleaning cloth, it effectively dissolves fingerprints, dust, and stubborn marks in a single pass while maintaining even moisture distribution across the glass. The upgraded brushless motor works alongside WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning to improve cleaning efficiency by 30%, optimizing turning performance, edge detection, and route planning for framed, frameless, floor-to-ceiling, and even tilted windows. Safety remains a top priority with a comprehensive 12-stage protection system supported by both hardware and software, while the intelligent climbing mechanism with an upgraded synchronous belt provides exceptional grip and stability to prevent slipping during operation. You can also choose from 5 customizable cleaning modes using either the multifunction station or the ECOVACS home application, allowing you to tailor every cleaning session to your needs. Combining versatile power options, advanced navigation, powerful spraying technology, and industry-leading safety features, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni delivers a premium, hands-free window cleaning experience that keeps glass surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. At number 4, the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini. If you are searching for a compact and affordable robot window cleaner for everyday use, the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini is a practical solution that delivers reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. Designed with an ultra-lightweight and space-saving body, it is easy to carry, position, and store, making it an excellent choice for apartments, smaller homes, and anyone who wants to keep windows clean with minimal effort. Its compact design also allows it to work comfortably on smaller glass panels, interior windows, mirrors, and other smooth glass surfaces where larger robotic cleaners may feel less convenient. The WINBOT Mini is specially optimized for routine maintenance, effectively removing everyday dust, fingerprints, smudges, and light stains before they have a chance to build up into tougher grime. For windows that have accumulated heavier dirt, simply rinse the cleaning pad and allow the robot to complete additional cleaning cycles for improved results and a streak-free finish. One of its strongest advantages is its incredibly simple setup process. There's no complicated installation or lengthy preparation required. Simply attach the robot to the glass, switch it on, and let it automatically begin cleaning, making it especially suitable for first-time users who want an easy introduction to robotic window cleaning technology. Safety is equally reassuring thanks to its dependable suction system and built-in protection features that help the robot remain securely attached to the glass throughout the cleaning process. The low-noise operation creates a more comfortable experience, allowing it to clean while you work, relax, or spend time with family without causing unnecessary distractions. Combining ease of use, dependable safety, quiet performance, and an affordable price point, the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a simple, reliable, and cost-effective robot window cleaner to keep their glass surfaces looking fresh and spotless all year round. Finally, at number 5, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S. Rounding out our list is a robot window cleaner that focuses on dependable everyday performance while incorporating several premium technologies for a more consistent cleaning experience. The ECOVACS WINBOT W2S is built for homeowners who want cleaner windows with minimal effort, featuring the advanced True Edge technology that allows it to clean much closer to window frames, edges, and corners than many traditional round window cleaning robots. This improved edge performance helps reduce the areas that are commonly left untouched, delivering more complete cleaning coverage across the entire glass surface. To further enhance results, the upgraded triple wide-angle spray system evenly distributes moisture before each cleaning pass, helping loosen dust, fingerprints, light smudges, and everyday stains so the microfiber cleaning pad can wipe them away more effectively. The large 80-milliliter water tank supports longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions, making it especially useful for homes with multiple windows or expansive glass panels. Navigation is powered by the intelligent WinSlam 4.0 path planning system, which automatically recognizes different window layouts and follows an organized cleaning pattern for greater efficiency and more reliable coverage. Whether you're cleaning standard household windows, large sliding doors, or inclined glass surfaces up to 45 degrees, the W2S adapts smoothly to different situations while maintaining stable operation. It also offers multiple cleaning modes, including quick clean, thorough clean, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning, allowing you to choose the most suitable option based on the condition of the glass and the level of cleaning required. For heavily soiled or long neglected exterior windows, running additional cleaning cycles and rinsing the microfiber pads can further improve performance while reducing streaks. Combining intelligent navigation, enhanced edge cleaning, generous water capacity, and versatile cleaning modes, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S is a dependable choice for anyone seeking an efficient and user-friendly robot window cleaner for regular window maintenance.